Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about how you can create a product page on Whop that can create conversion. So the first thing you have to do is you have to upload a media. Now uploading a media would mean that you're uploading something that is talking about your product and can give good conversion. So I would recommend uploading something that talks about your product and uh, gives people what they want to know. And the other thing is in this one, describing how the customers will achieve their outcomes. You have to talk about the objections. For example, you have to tell them that many people think that, oh, doing this will never work, but you can work. For example, if you don't have social media followers, but you still can work. Like you have to refute people's objections. Now, after that, you have to invite people with this link. And then what you have to do is you have to create a persona, you have to create a pricing, and according to whatever you're running, now you have to add your benefits, you ask your questions, and also you will get your reviews here. Now, here you will have to start posting. Now, this post should be like, oh, welcome, hello guys, and then you have to post, and this is where. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.